All right, this is 1800 West Richardson Place. We are going through what looks like a closet flange that was cut off, and we are directly past where that combos into the main. So I've reset the counter at this point. As you can see, I've got some clean water running through here. What I'm going to do is run this with the water running, and then we'll shut it off and inspect the pipe all the way back. So that's popping into another combo to the right. So far it looks like cast iron pipe. If we can't see anything going in, it's okay. I want to run water and make sure the pipe is going to be clear enough so that, like I said, we can inspect it when we're on the way back out. Well, it looks like it's terracotta. So the terracotta pipe, or clay tile, two different words for it. The only thing we're going to have to worry about is going to be the joints, which you could just see one right there. But what we'll do is we'll run all the way out to the tap, and then we'll pull back and inspect all the joints and see how they look. So far, it actually looks really good. Yeah, every joint so far looks good from what we can see. Got really nice, good flow too, which is a good thing. All right, so here's our city tap. We're going to green pipe unless somebody replaced it. Usually plumbers don't put in green pipe. Yeah, this is absolutely the tap. Do you want me to locate where the tap is? Okay. Homeowner wants me to locate the tap, so I'm gonna pull back. We're gonna turn the water off, pause the video, and locate exactly where this tap is. So from the flange all the way to tap/green pipe, you can see is 68 feet. All right, so we've got this marked. This is actually on the southwest side of the house. So the sewer is running down the south side of the house from east to west. And like I said, that's right where it changes from this terracotta clay pipe to city pipe. So we can see a little bit of debris there. I'm not very concerned with that. If I see a problem, I'll definitely stop. I'm going to be looking at each individual joint. That's a joint right there. What we're looking for is roots growing into them, because that's where the issues will be on this pipe.
Got it.
See how beautiful the joints are so far? This pipe looks really good, man.
Oh, that's good news.
Yeah, actually so far it looks awesome. All the joints so far look really good. Holding a very small amount of water here. The camera head itself is extremely small and is only sitting about 1/4 of an inch on top of the bottom of the pipe, so I'm not concerned with that. Let's see what we got going on here. I think it's okay. See all your joints? They look great, man.
Yeah, that's good news.
Seriously, I mean, every one of them. So now we're getting closer. It's holding a little bit of water here. So let's see where the if it's where the transition is. So that's our transition from cast iron to clay.
Okay.
We're only just right outside of here.
Okay.
So if you were to go off of this window, say you wanted to get rid of the cast iron. I'm not saying you need to.
Yeah.
But if you come off of this window, measure off this window to where this flange is, this is popping straight out this way.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
It does.
So that's your drop going out, and then it turns and just shoots straight that way.
And it's flowing fine.
Everything's flowing good, dude. Yeah.
All right, so that's good news.
This is the debris I was, kind of pushing, trying to wash out through there, and I'm right here now.
Okay.
See my camera?
Yep, got it.
So I just came back up the flange. Okay. So the main line itself it's beautiful.
All right.
What I would probably...
It's the best news I've had with this house.
It looks great, man. Since you've already got everything open in here, if you guys are going to be running new lines in here, just replace this little section with PVC because it's already open.
Right.
The hardest part is just digging it up now. There's no flooring. And then if you're going to hang everything, the plumbers are going to use PVC anyway.
Yeah.
I would replace everything under the house with PVC, which you already plan on doing.
Yes.
Just go from here to there with PVC. It's not going to be that expensive. I don't do it, so I'm not trying to sell you anything.
No, I get
I'm
it.
just telling you preventative maintenance moving forward.
Okay.
That would be the only thing you have the issue with. You're remodeling the house anyway.
Yeah.
If you come to a point you need a new sewer, now you're just digging on the outside of the house. This is already torn up.
Right, got it.
So,
got it. Okay.
to conclude the video, you guys probably just heard my, my assessment on what to do since the house is under remodel. Thanks for watching.